everyone! Today my mom is going to teach me 5 flavor homemade noodle. Looks super delicious. Let's start with some raw material. We have some mu'er, carrots, spring onion, small pieces pork, tofu. Start with the first sauce, which is a meat sauce. We stir fry small blocks of meat, it's a pork, with lower medium volume of fire. Put in sweet bean sauce. Stir fry more. Then add a little bit water. It depends on how much sauce you would like to have. My mom was adding about 3 tablespoons of water. This first sauce taking very short time. Add at the end a teeny bit of spring onion. Then it's done. Look at that, it's super colorful sauce. The second sauce start with cooking the little teeny pork. Then add in block of carrots, tofu, potato. Stir fry with medium level of fire. This is what I like with Chinese kitchen, like local Chinese kitchen. They have real fire. I miss that in Switzerland. Add in a bit soy sauce and water. Add in more. Cook around 10 minutes. Especially the carrot and the potato take a while. At the end, add salt, then it's ready. Here is 5 different flavors: slices cucumber, garlic, sesame sauce, and the 2 sauce we prepared. Mix all of them together with a noodle. This is called 5 flavor homemade noodle.